Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video where we will be discussing the various car dashboard icons and their meanings. Understanding what each icon on your car's dashboard means is essential for safe and proper vehicle operation. So, let's dive in. Check engine light. The check engine light is probably the most familiar icon on a car dashboard. It indicates that there is an issue with the engine or emission system. When this light comes on, it's important to take your car to a mechanic to diagnose the issue. Oil pressure warning light. This icon looks like an oil can with a drop of oil coming out of it. It indicates that there is a problem with the oil pressure, and the engine may be running without enough lubrication. This can cause severe damage to your engine, so it's important to pull over and check your oil level immediately. Battery warning light. This icon looks like a battery with a plus and minus sign. It indicates that there is a problem with the car's charging system. If this light comes on, it's important to have your battery and alternator checked as soon as possible. Tire pressure warning light. This icon looks like a tire with an exclamation point inside. It indicates that there is a problem with your car's tire pressure. Proper tire pressure is essential for safe driving, so it's important to check your tire pressure and inflate them to the recommended level. Brake system warning light. This icon looks like a circle with exclamation points on either side. It indicates a problem with the car's brake system. If this light comes on, it's important to have your brakes checked immediately as driving with faulty brakes can be dangerous. ABS warning light. Indicates a problem with the anti-lock braking system. Solution. Have your car's braking system checked immediately. ABS is an essential safety feature, and driving without it can be dangerous. Power steering warning light. Indicates a problem with the power steering system. Solution. Check the power steering fluid level. If it's low, add fluid. If the fluid level is sufficient, the problem could be a faulty power steering pump or a broken belt. In this case, take your car to a mechanic for a proper diagnosis. Engine temperature warning light. Indicates a problem with the engine's cooling system. Solution. Pull over and check the coolant level. If it's low, add coolant. If the coolant level is sufficient, there could be a problem with the radiator or the water pump. In this case, take your car to a mechanic for a proper diagnosis. Airbag warning light. Indicates a problem with the airbag system. Solution. Have the airbag system checked immediately. Driving with a faulty airbag system can be dangerous, and it can cause serious injury in case of an accident. Transmission temperature warning light. Indicates a problem with the transmission's cooling system. Solution. Pull over and let the transmission cool down. If the light doesn't turn off, there could be a problem with the transmission's fluid level or a faulty transmission sensor. In this case, take your car to a mechanic for a proper diagnosis. Fuel level warning light. Indicates a low fuel level. Solution. Refill your gas tank as soon as possible to avoid running out of fuel. Washer fluid warning light. Indicates a low level of windshield washer fluid. Solution. Refill the washer fluid reservoir as soon as possible. Seat belt reminder warning light. Indicates that the driver or a passenger has not fastened their seat belt. Solution. Fasten the seat belt to turn off the warning light. Door ajar warning light. Indicates that one or more doors are not fully closed. Solution. Check all the doors and ensure that they are. Fog lamp indicator. It means your fog lights are on. Air suspension warning. There's a problem with the car's air suspension system, which includes inflatable bags meant to make the rider smoother. Lane departure warning. You seem to be drifting out of your lane unintentionally. Get your eyes on the road. Cruise control indicator. You've turned on cruise control. When the light is orange, it's waiting for you to set the preferred speed. When it turns green, you'll be traveling at that speed. Traction control system. The is a safety feature that helps prevent the wheels of the vehicle from losing grip on the road surface during acceleration or when driving on slippery or unstable road conditions such as ice, snow, gravel, or wet pavement. It works by automatically reducing the engine power or applying the brakes to one or more wheels, thereby reducing wheel spin and helping the vehicle maintain traction. When the traction control icon illuminates on the dashboard, it means that the system is currently engaged and helping to maintain traction. If the light remains on after starting the engine, it may indicate a fault in the system and require professional inspection and repair. Rear window defrost light. The rear window defroster is engaged, so any condensation should clear up in a jiffy. Lamp out warning. One of the car's lamps, the headlight, taillight, or other exterior light, has burned out. You should probably get the bulb replaced before you get a ticket. Brake pad warning. The car's brake pads are getting too thin. Time to get them inspected and replaced. So, there you have it. These are just a few of the many icons you may encounter on your car's dashboard. Remember to always refer to your car's owner manual for a full list of icons and their meanings. Understanding these icons can help keep you safe on the road and prevent costly repairs. Please notify us in the comment section below if we have overlooked any icons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.